Hello, Zimist coded here. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to effortlessly convert images to text using the Image to Text app on your Android device. This can be a handy tool for various tasks, so let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install Image to Text app. First things first, head over to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for Image to Text and download the app. Once the download is complete, install the app on your device. Step 2. Open the Image to Text app. After the installation is complete, locate the Image to Text app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap to open the app. Step 3. Import or capture an image. Inside the Image to Text app, explore the available features. Look for the option to import an existing image from your gallery or capture a new one. Using your device's camera, select the image you want to convert to text. Step 4. Let OCR do its magic. The Image to Text app utilizes optical character recognition, IA technology. To extract text from the image, sit back and let the app work its magic. This process may take a few moments. Step 5. Review and edit text if necessary. Once the text extraction is complete, you'll see the converted text on your screen. Take a moment to review the extracted text, if needed. You can make edits or corrections directly within the app. Step 6. Save or share the text. Happy with the extracted text? Now, you have options. Save the text for later use or share it with others. The app usually provides various sharing options, such as copying to clipboard or sharing via messaging apps. And there you have it. You've successfully converted an image to text on your Android device using the Image to Text app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching and happy coding!